Teacher tip 98. Everything is a learning opportunity, so explore new topics and activities. We are constantly growing in life and we should use that as a resource for our teaching. So if you learn something new, if you try out something, share that with your students if that can help them in whatever you're trying to convey to them. Use your life and the things that you learn in your classroom, because that is an authentic way of teaching. And when students see that the material comes from your life and your knowledge and you're sharing it with them, they will appreciate it more. Try and use these ideas from your life. Use it in your teaching, and that will help students to understand it from your point of view. Teacher tip 99. Use hand signals and other non-verbal communication. Learners will quickly get to know your eye contact and expressions. Sometimes you don't want to talk loudly to your students. Rather use hand signals or expressions if possible. For example, if you want them to quiet down, you can show them 5 fingers, meaning that they have 5 seconds to quiet down and pay attention to you. Or you can use eye contact. When someone's doing something that they're not supposed to, just give them the look. Students will get to know that look and realize, okay, wait, I'm going to be in trouble if I continue doing this. You can also use expressions, if you're excited, if you're interested, if you're displeased, students will pick up on it. Instead of being loud and using your words, maybe a better approach is to use non-verbal communication so that you don't get the whole class involved and you can just work with one student or a small group. Teacher tip 100. Be consistent in everything. Be authoritative, not authoritarian. Be firm, but flexible. Students are looking up to you as a teacher to provide them with stability. And by being consistent in the way that you behave, in the way that you teach, in the way that you treat other people, the trust in you will grow. So, be an authority figure, but don't be an authoritarian. Be firm, but flexible where you can be. That way, students trust you. Your colleagues will trust you and they will do better to earn your trust. Okay, everyone, I hope these 100 teaching tips helped you. I had a great time writing them down and sharing some ideas. Obviously, there are so many parts to being a good teacher that I might have missed. I hope these 100 ideas can help you in your road to become a better teacher. Everyone, I'm Eric from Etiquette, and I'll see you next time. Boom.